Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
In an era defined by rapid technological advancements, the integration of robotics into education has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping traditional teaching and learning paradigms. Robotic technology offers a host of opportunities to enhance educational experiences, foster creativity, and prepare students for the challenges of the future. Today, we will discuss the multifaceted role of robotic technology, exploring its impact on hands on learning as well as problem solving in various spheres. Working with robots cultivates essential problem solving skills, including critical thinking, creativity, and resilience. Whether troubleshooting technical issues or debugging codes, students encounter challenges that require perseverance and ingenuity. Robotics encourage a growth mindset, emphasizing the iterative nature of problem solving. It has proved to be a boon for the upkeep of industrial infrastructure like pipelines. Listen in.
We have designed a smart multi-agent systems where we have unmanned ground vehicle, unmanned aerial vehicle, and these agents, they work in together. They are installed with the multiple non-contact sensors, and these sensors, they collect the data about the pipeline, so they can autonomously track where these buried structure are. This can be power line, this can be pipeline, this can be any underground utility. They can autonomously track and they can collect the data of the anomaly or health condition of the pipeline. So we call it condition monitoring, means based on the condition. So we can also geotag any infrastructure which is buried actually. So autonomous inspection, autonomous mapping, autonomous data collection, and we have created an AI ML based engine which can predict existing anomaly and the future anomaly. The future anomaly which have not yet taken place, but the symptoms are there in the pipeline. This is a unique revolutionary technology which is completely changing the face of industry, where we do not require a manual labor in the field, because current way there should be a multiple human operator has to be in the field in a very high temperature zone, very disaster prone and many times dangerous actually. There we can install these robots actually. These robots can do inspection any section, any time, even unpressurized pipeline they can inspection. And also surveillance of the pipeline corridor. So many times what happens, multiple pipelines, they are going in a corridor like a 200 kilometer, 300 kilometer. In current way, the operator has to drive along the pipeline corridor and they have to manually, visually inspect that. This job can be done by the drone actually. So drone can fly 80 kilometer of corridor in a 1 hour inspection can be done. Similarly, gas leak detection, CP layer inspection, pipeline core inspection, air quality inspection of the arena actually, if any gas leak is there. We can map the gas density with the GPS profile of the pipeline. We can also do geotagging of the pipeline or any buried structure.
Since robotics is a boom and robotics can solve a lot of problems, and the problems that we are trying to focus on is the medical errors that are being faced in the healthcare industries. A lot of things are happen manually, not without taking care of the hygiene or the safety aspect of it. The medicines that are transported by nurses, it's been taken by hand, and we see a lot of issues when it comes to labor workforce as well in the European countries. So there's a lot of problems in the healthcare industry that can be solved through a robot. So imagine a robot in the hospital that can move, medicine, that can move your medical instruments, it can move your documents and everything, that can help the nurses and the doctors, move or organize everything, smooth. We see a lot of opportunities when it comes to healthcare, but that can be solved through robots. And I believe that in the long run, that we can rely more on these things. We can rely more on the trust factor that we are capable to work with the robots.
Well, The success stories certainly show that it is possible to rely on this technology to make our lives better. It also gets clear that it can help us in being career ready. Exposure to robotic technology prepares students for the demands of future careers in a rapidly evolving job market. As automation and robotics revolutionize industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, the ability to design, program, and interact with robots becomes increasingly valuable. By equipping students with robotic skills and competencies, educators empower them to pursue diverse career pathways in robotics engineering, automation, artificial intelligence, and beyond. Moreover, robotics fosters an entrepreneurial mindset, inspiring students to innovate and create solutions to real world problems. One of the most significant contributions of robotic technology to education is its ability to facilitate hands-on learning experiences. Unlike traditional classroom instructions, which often relies on passive learning modalities, robotics empowers students to actively engage with concepts in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Through the construction, programming, and manipulation of robots, students gain practical real-world experience that deepens their understanding of complex subjects. Whether assembling robotic kits or designing custom-built robots, students develop critical thinking skills and problem-solving abilities in a tangible, experiential manner. Robotics serves as a cornerstone of STEM education, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. By immersing students in the process of designing, building, and programming robots, educators can instill a passion for STEM disciplines from an early age. Moreover, robotics cultivates essential 21st century skills such as coding, computational thinking, and collaborative problem solving. As the demand for STEM professionals continues to rise, integrating robotics into the curriculum equips students with the competencies needed to succeed in a technology-driven workforce. Robotic technology enables personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs and preferences. Through adaptive robotics platforms and intelligent tutoring systems, educators can customize instruction to accommodate diverse learning styles and paces. Whether through adaptive feedback mechanisms or scaffolded learning activities, robotic empowers students to progress at their own pace while receiving targeted support and feedback. This individualized approach not only enhances learning outcomes, but also promotes student autonomy and self-directed learning skills. Robotic technology transcends disciplinary boundaries, fostering interdisciplinary learning experiences that integrate various fields of study. From mechanical engineering to computer science, mathematics, and even art and design, robotics encompasses a wide range of disciplines. By engaging students in interdisciplinary projects, educators can foster creativity, innovation, and holistic problem-solving skills. Whether designing a robotic prototype or exploring the ethical implications of AI, interdisciplinary robotics projects encourage students to think critically and make connections across diverse domains of knowledge. Robotics captivates students' interest and fosters a sense of excitement and curiosity about learning. The hands-on nature of robotics projects stimulates active participation and engagement, motivating students to explore STEM concepts in depth. Whether collaborating with peers on group projects or competing in robotics competitions, students experience a sense of ownership and agency over their learning journey. Robotics sparks creativity and imagination, transforming education from a passive to an active, dynamic process. Robotic technology has the potential to make education more accessible and inclusive for students with diverse learning needs. Adaptive robotics platforms, and assistive technologies enable students with disabilities to participate in hands-on learning experiences and develop essential skills. Whether through adaptive controllers, voice-activated interfaces, or sensory feedback systems, robotics can accommodate a wide range of abilities and provide equal opportunities for all learners. By fostering an inclusive learning environment, robotics promotes equity and diversity in education. As educators continue to harness the power of robotics in the classroom, they empower students to become lifelong learners, critical thinkers, and innovators poised to shape the future of technology and society. Through robotics, education transcends the boundaries of classroom, inspiring students to explore, create, and imagine possibilities beyond their wildest dreams. So, keep exploring.